Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be working on something today. My trusty assistant Blu-ray is out here with us. And, and he wanted to come out and help us with the project here for today. So let's check out what we're going to be doing. As you see here, we have a plethora of parts. It's a giant puzzle. It's a three-dimensional puzzle for adults. So we're getting a little bit of information from Blu-ray here too. What we're going to do is we're going to do a little time lapse putting this together. Now I'm still waiting on the motor and all the accessories and whatnot. And originally they said that was going to be here today, but apparently that is not the case. So that stuff won't be here till Monday. That'll be another episode. But as far as today goes, we can get a roller set up and get it prepped for everything else that we've got coming in for it. This should be a fun little build. It should go together pretty quick. But anyhow, let's get started. Well, guys, I got the majority of the mini bike assembled, and quite a few parts left over. I didn't put either of the fenders on because there's some electrical and exhaust and stuff like that that I have to run. I didn't put the hand guards on yet either. Headlight, I got something special coming for that. That should be here today. And of course everything else is motor related, so attaching all this stuff to the motor is basically the next step. But that's probably gonna be it for this episode, guys. If you like this episode, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, we'd love to have you as a subscriber. And as always, you're gonna wanna stay tuned. We're gonna continue this build in the next episode. Something just showed up 2 days early. So stay tuned. But other than that, I hope you guys are staying safe, taking care of each other, and as always, I'll catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.